Did you know the hidden benefits of eating cloves? These tiny aromatic flower buds, originally from the Maluku Islands in Indonesia, have been a culinary staple for centuries. But they're not just for flavor. Cloves are packed with a wealth of benefits that go far beyond the kitchen. Used in traditional medicine, beauty products, and even in religious rituals, cloves are a true testament to the adage, "Big things come in small packages." Now, let's dive into the 7 surprising benefits of this potent spice. First on our list, cloves are packed with antioxidants. Now you might be wondering, what are antioxidants, and why are they important? Well, let's break it down. Antioxidants are substances that can prevent or slow damage to cells caused by free radicals, unstable molecules that the body produces as a reaction to environmental and other pressures. So why should you care? Because free radicals are associated with a range of diseases, including heart disease, cancer, arthritis, stroke, respiratory diseases, immune deficiency, and more. They're essentially the body's version of rust. And this is where cloves come in. These tiny spice powerhouses are a rich source of antioxidants, particularly a potent one called eugenol. A single gram of ground cloves contains up to 300 milligrams of antioxidants, making them one of the best natural sources you can find. So, by eating cloves, you're giving your body a powerful antioxidant boost. Next, cloves can be a game changer for your dental health. When it comes to oral care, these tiny spice giants pack a significant punch. Their antiseptic properties make them a natural ally in combating tooth decay, gum disease, and bad breath. Did you know that the active compound in cloves, eugenol, has been widely recognized in the dental industry for its analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties? Yes, indeed, eugenol is often used in dental procedures to numb the gums and alleviate discomfort. So how can you harness the dental benefits of cloves? It's simple. You can add them to your meals, chew on them directly, or even use clove oil as a natural mouth rinse. Remember, a little goes a long way, so moderation is key. Incorporating cloves into your dental routine can be a simple, natural, and effective way to maintain oral health. With cloves, you can smile brighter and healthier. Thirdly, cloves can significantly improve your digestion. These tiny aromatic kernels, steeped with potent compounds, are a powerhouse for promoting better digestive health. With their carminative properties, cloves prevent the formation of gas in the gastrointestinal tract, providing relief from discomfort and bloating. But that's not all. Cloves are also known for their ability to stimulate digestive enzymes, which help to break down food more efficiently, letting your body absorb all the vital nutrients it needs. This can lead to improved overall gut health, and even prevent conditions like indigestion, acid reflux, and stomach ulcers. Coupled with their antimicrobial properties, cloves are capable of eliminating harmful bacteria in the gut, further enhancing your digestive well-being. So, the next time you're cooking, consider adding a sprinkle of Ceylon Flavors fresh and pure organic hand-picked whole cloves. It's not just about adding a burst of flavor, but also about nourishing your body from the inside. Who knew a small spice could have such a big impact on your digestive health? Benefit number 4, cloves can provide respiratory relief. The tiny, fragrant bulbs we know as cloves are packed with eugenol, a compound known for its potent anti-inflammatory properties. This makes cloves an effective natural remedy for respiratory ailments. Imagine a cold winter day, the air is crisp and your breath is short. You reach for a cup of hot clove tea. As you sip, the warm, spicy aroma of the cloves fills your senses, and you can feel your airways start to open up. This is the power of cloves in action. Cloves can help soothe an irritated throat, making them a go-to for those battling a persistent cough. They're also beneficial for conditions like asthma and bronchitis, where inflammation of the airways can cause discomfort and difficulty breathing. Remember, while cloves can provide relief, they're not a substitute for professional medical advice. But next time you're feeling a bit under the weather, why not try a warm cup of clove tea? So breathe easier with the help of cloves. Fifth on our list, cloves can boost your immune system. Imagine having a personal bodyguard fighting off invaders and keeping you healthy. That's essentially what your immune system does for you, and cloves can help enhance its performance. Packed with a plethora of antioxidants, Cloves help combat free radicals that can cause damage to your body's cells. Cloves are also rich in vitamin C, a nutrient widely known to bolster the immune system. This vitamin stimulates the production of white blood cells, the body's first line of defense against infections. Plus, the eugenol found in cloves has anti-inflammatory properties that help your body recover from illness more quickly. Incorporating cloves into your diet can be as simple as adding them to your favorite dishes, brewing them into a soothing tea, or even taking them as a supplement. Remember, a strong immune system is your best defense against diseases. Boost your defenses with the power of cloves. Next, cloves can help control blood sugar levels. This unassuming spice, besides adding a burst of flavor to your dishes, has been found to have a beneficial effect on blood sugar control. Research indicates that compounds in cloves may help improve the function of insulin, the hormone responsible for transporting sugar from the bloodstream into cells. Think of insulin as a key, unlocking the door to your cells to let sugar in. When this process is impaired, blood sugar levels can rise, leading to type 2 diabetes. The compounds in cloves, particularly a substance called niguricin, can help make insulin more effective, ensuring that sugar is properly absorbed by your cells and keeping blood sugar levels in check. It's not a magic bullet, but incorporating cloves into your diet could be one more tool in your arsenal in the fight against elevated blood sugar. So spice up your life and your health with a pinch of cloves. Maintain your sugar balance with the help of cloves. And finally, cloves can promote bone health. This might come as a surprise to many, but cloves are an unexpected ally in the fight against osteoporosis and other bone-related diseases. The tiny, fragrant, and potent clove is packed with manganese, a mineral that the body uses to maintain bone health. Manganese assists in the development of bone structure and bone metabolism, and it also helps in creating essential enzymes for building bones. Moreover, cloves contain eugenol, a compound that has been found to increase bone density and strength. Studies have shown that eugenol can significantly improve bone mineral content and bone tensile strength, making your bones more robust and less prone to fractures. But that's not all. Cloves also have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in your joints, a common issue for those with arthritis. So, whether you're looking to strengthen your bones or just maintain your bone health, cloves could be just what you need. So for strong and healthy bones, think cloves. Now that you know the 7 surprising benefits of cloves, isn't it time you incorporated this wonder spice into your diet? Experience the power of nature with Ceylon Flavor's fresh and pure organic hand-picked whole cloves. Their robust flavor and myriad health benefits make them an invaluable addition to any kitchen. So give your health a boost, one clove at a time. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more health insights, and check out the link in the description for these amazingly healthy seasoning seeds.